one of my favorite rides is the Haunted Mansion. But the biggest thing I look forward to is at night, the fireworks at night, and just the way they set the music to the fireworks is just amazing. And I tear up every time. I tear up every time. Um, but I like that feeling when you're walking down Main Street. You just, I like I said, you can't describe it. It's just this magical feeling that you feel when you're walking down that street.
Like no matter what you're going through, it doesn't even exist anymore.
No,